Stainless steel Conical Burr Coffee Grinder, automatic electric mill coffee grinder with 12 ground size, cup selection for home, office, kitchen. Premium craft, the Conical Burr Coffee Grinder is made up of two revolving abrasive surfaces, called burrs. The coffee bean grinder is work-weld steadily to ensurig the beans do not overheat, that uniformly sized grounds extract at the same rate and produce a balanced brew, exactly what you're after if you're considering a coffee grinder. Adjustable option, the electric coffee grinder built-in heavy-duty burr, it offers 12 size for your coffee bean, ground fine enough for espresso and coarse enough for cafetiere. Up to 12 cup selection to grind the exact quantity you need. Safety system, built in the temperature control system that prevent excessive temperature during using the grinder for home, kitchen business. High capacity container, up to 8 Oz capacity hopper, and 3.5 Oz ground container. Store your coffee beans without worrying about taking up more space. Service, as a premium brand for kitchen product around the world, committed to bringing the kitchen products to our customers. 1-year warranty, in addition we provide the specialized customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.